Speaking at the Kenya School of Law during the launch of the ISO certification for the Council of Legal Education, the Justice Minister minced no words in his response to the Monday ruling by the High Court.
And I think it's a combination of manipulation, politicians hiding behind churches, hiding behind judges, people who don't want to say openly that they are frightened of the revolution that will come out of the proposed constitution, because it is a revolution. It brings new governance.
The ruling delivered by Justices Joseph Nyamu, Roslyn Wendu and Matthew Emukule has been fiercely defended by those opposing the proposed constitution. But Mutula says otherwise.
Kenyans must come to terms that the current constitution has collapsed where the judiciary is concerned. Because in 2008, because of those who lost not having confidence in the judiciary, they didn't go to court. The result was fighting in the streets. I think the judges have forgotten that.
So that as Kenyans...
Mutula argued that it will be practically impossible to have another constitutional review process or referendum soon if this one fails.
We were told that the plane was already on the runway. So we want to help stop the plane so that all Kenyans can board and we can end with a new constitution that carries the aspirations of everybody.
Do not continue deluding yourself that you can step into the way of this constitution. Speak the truth to the public. Tell them your fears, but allow the public to make a decision.
And he now claims that the refusal by Treasury to release money for civic education could be part of the sabotage schemes.
I have no doubt in my mind. Speak with confidence, because there is no reason why 400 million.
Have you talked to Uhuru about it?
I've talked to everybody who matters. I don't want to mention people specifically. I've spoken to anybody who matters. I've put it in writing. There have been meetings, countless meetings between the Committee of Experts and the Treasury, and there is no reason for 400 million shillings after the country has spent nearly 25 billion shillings over the last 20 years cannot be made available.
Meanwhile, two Muslim clerics moved to the High Court in Mombasa, seeking to be enjoined in a case in which three pastors had sued the Attorney General and the Chairman of the Parliamentary Select Committee over the inclusion of the Kadhi courts in the new draft. The case will be heard on December 22nd. Now out in KTN Prime.